Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is May 30th, 2025, and here are the top cryptocurrency news stories. First of all, have a great week, everyone, and we'll start our episode today with Mr. Trump's DeFi project, World Liberty Finance, where we learned that he has partnered with a London-based hedge fund, Re7, to launch a treasury stablecoin for World Liberty Finance's stablecoin. Specifically, this partnership will be completed through Euler Finance and liquid staking, Lista. All of this will be done to place one USDe, which is World Liberty Finance's stablecoin, on the BNB chain in order to gain more customers. Additionally, we learned that World Liberty Finance has gained another major investor, and that is the UAE-based Aqua One, which has purchased $100 million in World Liberty Finance's cryptocurrencies. Moving on, we'll go to Kraken, which is one of the oldest exchanges in the cryptocurrency market. Krak has announced that it's a peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to send fiat and cryptocurrencies independently across country borders. It promises performance on more than 20 digital assets, along with cross-border transactions. And from Kraken, which continues to expand very well in Europe and the rest of the world, we'll go to another company, Grayscale. Grayscale has announced its list of the top 20 cryptocurrencies for Q3 2025. The list is on your screen right now. You can freeze the video if you want to see it, but obviously everything will be in the sources as always. Moving on from this Grayscale list, we move on to Solana, which has signed a memorandum of understanding with Kazakhstan. More specifically, Kazakhstan plans to launch a derivatives capital market pilot program in which the Ethena International Fund, Jupiter, and the Solana Foundation will participate as part of a broader memorandum of cooperation with the Solana Foundation. This pilot program aims to include tokenization in the financial markets of Kazakhstan, and we, moving on from Solana, will go to Ethena to see what will ultimately happen with the case it has with German regulators, specifically Ethena GmbH, which is essentially the German arm of Ethena's company. We learned that the regulator has stated that a 42-day redemption is underway for holders of Ethena stablecoins. According to BaFin, the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, USDe holders will have until August 6 to file redemption requests directly against Ethena GmbH. After the extension, Ethena GmbH will be considered officially liquidated within Germany, the European Union, and the European Economic Area. This all started after the conflict between Ethena and the German financial regulator, as it turned out that Ethena was banned from publicly offering its USDe stablecoin due to a violation of EU regulations, and essentially MyCA. So because Ethena's product was illegal, it will disappear from Germany and Europe in general very soon. And since we're talking about stablecoins, we'll go to Ripple's stablecoin, Ripple Labs USD, which we learned was the fastest growing stablecoin for June, up 47% and reaching a market cap of $455 million. Very positive news, as you can imagine, to have a strong stablecoin for people to trade on. The only downside to the whole thing is that if we look at the DeFi llama, 85% of that money, the $455 million, is on the Ethereum network and only 14% is on the XRP network. So, as we can see, Ethereum and Layer 2 are the ones that are doing the most trading, while the XRP network isn't used as much. And we'll move on to the latest news of the day, which concerns a video game for Avalanche, Rainy, which we learned is closing its doors in July so that the team can, as they say, focus on 2 more video games. Let's say that after this news, the coin of this video game has increased by 59% on the 7-day chart. Before that, let's look at the big picture. It had already fallen by almost 90%, and it's time to go to our favorite cryptocurrency market where Bitcoin is at $107,000. That wraps up the top news for crypto today is May 30th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.